Hello traders, it's Thursday again and it's time for another educational video. Today I'm gonna show you one of the best patterns out there, and this is the head and shoulders pattern. I'm gonna show you what you have to do, what you have to wait, and I'll give you some examples when you don't wait for the right time, the pattern doesn't work. So let's begin. Okay, what is the head and shoulders pattern? The head and shoulders pattern is exactly like a human body. It means like a left shoulder, head and a right shoulder. And you can see on the price here. Here we have an uptrend and we have higher highs and higher lows. But here what we can see, that the price has made a higher high and one very large high after this one. From here we can say that it's probably the price is making the head and shoulders pattern, because here we can see a lower high than the previous one, and we are gonna use the head and shoulders pattern in trading view. So if the price here comes back down and breaks this neckline, this is the trend line between the two shoulders of the head, just like this. This is our neckline. If the price here breaks this neckline and a candle closes below this neckline, we are gonna have the head and shoulders pattern. But if the price here makes a higher high from this one, it will be still an uptrend and we are not gonna have the head and shoulders pattern. So let's see what's happening now. Here the price is breaking the neckline, but the candle doesn't close below the neckline, so we have to wait. Here the price is consolidating. This is not our entry again. This is still not our entry. Here the price is breaking the neckline and this candle is closing below the neckline. So this is our entry in short position. Let me show you. From here is our trade. Our stop loss, we are gonna make it above this high over here, the right shoulder. So in this case is 123 pips. We are gonna make it a little more, probably 145 pips. Okay, how we measure the profit? We take an arrow and we are measuring the impulse wave from the head to the right shoulder, because usually the impulse waves are pretty much equal. So this is gonna be our take profit. Of course, you have to compare with previous highs and lows. So let's see what we have here. From this low over here, the price has made huge impulse wave. So obviously this is gonna be our take profit one. And let's see where is gonna be our second take profit. Well, here we have two lows. So we are gonna make the second take profit here. We are gonna make our profits a little before this lows over here, because sometimes the price didn't reach the level. So we are gonna make it just like this. This way our trade is looking like this: 145 pips stop to 375 pips in profit. This is one very good risk reward ratio trade. So let's see what's gonna happen. The price is going down and it's hitting our take profit one. We have to close half of the trade and to move the stop loss to the entry point. So let's see, does it hit the second take profit? There is. Take profit 2 is hit. And from here, as I said, the price is going up again, because from here we have huge impulse wave upwards. So remember, you have to compare with previous highs and lows. This is very important. Okay guys, this is one very good trade. But let me tell you just something. When this pattern happens, a lot of other strategies happen as well. Here we have a triangle, and you can execute another trade by this pattern. We are gonna explain how we trade the triangle patterns later in the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss this video. Okay, let me show you another example of head and shoulders. Now, this is the opposite of the head and shoulders, and it's the reverse head and shoulders pattern. This is happening on the lows on the price. So let's take a look how it's created. Okay, here we have that the price is moving down, and here we have lower highs and lower low. And as you can see, the price has made from this lowest low right here, it made an impulse wave upwards. So we are gonna apply our head and shoulders pattern. So we are gonna start from here. And this is our pattern. Okay, as we said, we are gonna expecting the price to break out the neckline. So this is our neckline over here. And let's see when the price is gonna break out this neckline. This is not our entry. And there it is. This is our entry in long position. Okay. As we said, this time we are gonna make our stop loss below this low, below the right shoulder. So it's gonna be around 135 pips. And we are gonna measure the take profit. This is the distance from the low, that is the head, to the right shoulder. And we apply it from the neckline, and our trade is gonna look like this one. But as we said, you must compare with previous highs and lows. Here we can see that from here the price has made huge bearish impulse, so obviously we are gonna make our first take profit on this level over here. It's gonna be a little below this high. So our second take profit, it's gonna be at the next weekly level, which is the previous highest high. Okay, let's see how the price is moving. First it's going down, but after that you can see that here the price is almost at our take profit. And if we make, as I told you, a little before this high over here, our first take profit is hit. This is 326 pips. And let's see if the price is gonna hit our second take profit. There it is. Our second take profit is hit, just to the weekly level. Again, this is very good risk-reward ratio trade, and it's about 3.26. This is 135 pips in loss for 440 pips in profit. And again, here we have another strategy that is happening after the head and shoulders, and we are gonna explain in some of the next videos. Okay, now let me show you one head and shoulders that is happening on lower time frames. Remember, the daily time frame and the 4-hour is much stronger, and you must watch for the head and shoulders on these time frames. But I'm gonna give you an example that this pattern happens in 1-hour time frame as well. This example is on Euro Australian dollar, and this is on 1-hour time frame. So we are in uptrend, and as you can see, the price is making higher highs and higher lows. but suddenly the price is making a lower high than the previous one. And this is an example of the head and shoulders pattern again. Here is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And we are expecting now the price to break the neckline. This is our neckline. Let's see when the price is gonna do that. Okay, this is our entry in short position. We are entering here. We are making our stop loss above the right shoulder. This is around 85 pips. And let's measure the profit. This is our impulse wave. We apply it from the neckline. And our profit is gonna be around 100 pips. As you can see, this profit is exactly at this high over here where the price has made a correction. Okay, this is our first take profit. Our second take profit obviously is gonna be on these lows over here. This is take profit 2 and this is take profit 1. Around this level over here. And again, make your profits some pips before the levels, before the profit, because it is very important. The price, it can always go down just to touch the level or some pips before that and to make a retracement. Let's see what's happening now. Here the price hits our first take profit, and let's see if it's gonna hit our take profit too. There it is. Our second take profit is hit. Again, this is very good risk reward ratio trade. This is 3.19 risk reward ratio with 83 pips stop and 265 pips in profit. Now, let me show you one example when the price don't break the neckline and the head and shoulders pattern doesn't work this time. Now, this is the example on US dollar versus yen. So, here you can see that this is the uptrend and the price is making a higher high and then suddenly is making a lower high. So, we are gonna make our head and shoulders pattern just like this. And we are expecting now the price to break the neckline of the pattern. This is our neckline. And let's see what the price will do. As you can see here, it breaks the neckline, but the candle doesn't close below the neckline. And as you can see, the uptrend is continuing. So guys, remember, you must know the rules very well and to follow them, because if not the rules are met, the pattern will not work. Okay guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, because in Monday we are gonna upload another weekly forecast. And don't forget to check our website in the description below. Sign in, because Black Friday is coming. See you Monday, guys.